Now, please welcome Amaris Maribeth D. Betonio with highest honors to deliver the welcome address.
Morning, everyone. My name is Amaris Maribeth D. Betonio, and I'm so happy to welcome you all to our moving up ceremony. Today is a very special day. We have learned so much, made wonderful memories, and grown in many ways. First, I want to thank God for guiding us and blessing us in this wonderful journey. A big thank you to Teacher Anne for her patience, kindness, and for always teaching us with love.
To our parents.
To our parents and guardians, thank you for your love, support, and for always being there for us. I will surely treasure the fun moments and friendships that I shared with my classmates here at the Little Angels Montessori. May we continue to learn, grow, and achieve great things in the next chapter of our journey. Congratulations to all of us, and once